Right, like all of my videos on YouTube, this is going to be done in one take, trying to keep it short and sweet. Now this video is brought to you because of Twitter, and a conversation stroke follower that I've got has very kindly sent me a parcel from another country. You've guessed it, with some Amiga retro games inside it. I've not opened it up as yet. I'm having a good day. I'm also making a vegetable curry. We'll need scissors. Trying not to show any addresses, obviously, and doing it one-handed. I've had a load of jobs to do today, and I've tried to get them all complete before I open this. Mainly because I've just lost the last 30 hours of my life playing Chrono Trigger for the first time on the Super Nintendo, and I neglected to do any housework. So kitchen's now tidy, front room's now tidy, washing machine is going around for the third time, so if you hear any noise, it will be that. What we got? Flood. Space Crusade Disc 2. IK Plus, that's the one that I really wanted. That was the main one that the gentleman got in touch with me for. Here we go. Fingers crossed. Come on, please load. Let me shut this door so you don't hear the washing machine on its spin cycle. Ooh, looking good, looking good. Volume. I can listen to that Amiga sound chip all day. Now Flood, if that one loads, I'll have to get a screenshot off the internet of the poster that used to come with the game itself, because you had to answer questions depending on what the poster was showing. One of the questions used to be, how many grenades is the teddy bear with the teeth inside its stomach throwing? Anyone who's played Flood knows exactly what I meant by that. But I got Space Crusade as well. Yes! Pure excitement, it works! I'm not going to try and play one-handed badly. Oh, sod it. How can you play one-handed? Oh, that's it. My weekend's now made. Well, one game definitely works. Shall we try Flood? Ah, it doesn't like Flood. We'll try Space Crusade. But I have got a, what's the correct word I'm looking for? A reload kick. Yeah, noises outside. I live next door to a lorry park. And a train line. And I've got a washing machine going on in the background. Space Crusade. This is memories, this is. Ticking away nicely. Oh yeah, I'd like UK. Now figure the aha. I'll have to put the YouTube down. Have a lovely weekend, people.